Good morning students, it's me Sudarshan sir. Take your book, pencil and mark the necessary points. Today computer science, take your computer book. Next topic, peripheral devices. Devices attached to the CPU of computer system by cables are called peripheral devices. Using cables we are attaching different types of devices. Those are called peripheral devices. Keyboard we are attaching to the computer. That is a peripheral device. Mouse, peripheral device. Okay, we are going to see detail about peripheral devices. You are aware that peripheral devices are such as printers and keyboards can be attached to the computer. Printer, keyboard, mouse, all those things. Okay, these devices are plugged into sockets called port. These devices are plugged into socket called ports. See, this is port. Wait, I will show you. This is port. Here where you are going to connect all those things. Okay, port. Next, port is that point from where data either enters or leaves the computer. Port is the place where data enters and leaves the computer. By plugging in pen drive. Pen drive is a peripheral device. By plugging in pen drive, what you can do? You can receive the data from the computer and you can send the data to the computer also. Okay, it is the place where data enters and leaves the computer. Next, USB port. USB port. Before that, different sockets have different number of pins. Different sockets have different number of pins and may also have different pin alignment. Look at the back of your CPU and see if you can find the ports. For audio, different pin will be there, different socket will be there, different port will be there. For USB and pen drive connection, different socket will be there, different pin will be there. Okay, for different connection, different pin and different sockets will be there. Okay. The main thing which we normally use is USB port, where we connect pen drive, keyboard wire, mouse wire, all those things. Okay. USB port is where peripheral devices are connected today. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. The expansion of USB is Universal Serial Bus. Okay, as the name suggests, USB port can be used to connect a variety of devices to a computer. Using USB port, you can connect a variety of devices to a computer. Okay, as I told, keyboard, mouse, pen drive, this everything. You get USB external hard drives. USB hard drives are there. Hard drives that is used to store data. I told you now. USB hard drives are there that you can connect to the computer and you can store data in it. Mouse, printers, digital cameras, web cameras, and so on. All these are mostly connected through USB port. Okay. They can be installed quickly. A pen drive, is it very hard to install? No. As soon as you buy one, you plug in, it will install quickly. Okay. Today computers come with 2 to 8 USB port. In this laptop I have only 2 USB port, but there are few computers. It will be with few will be with 2, few will be with 3 till 8 it is there. Hence it is possible to connect several devices to a computer. So what you can do, you can connect many devices. Another big advantage of USB is that it offers high data transmission speed. What it does, USB, it offers high data transmission. See what happens when you install pen drive or pen drive, what happens, you can transfer and receive data so speed. Since what? Since the advancement of the USB 2.0 is still popular, but USB 3.0 can transfer data over 10 times the speed of 2.0. Most probably in our house nowadays I think we are using 3.0 only. Okay, it is speed compared to the old thing which is 2.0. Okay, USB devices are plug and play. You can plug and you can use it. That is it. Plug and play. You can just plug the pen drive and you can use it right the same way, which means they are easy to install. That we know that very well. They are hot swappable, which means they can easily plug and unplug. So you can easily plug the pen drive and unplug at any time. It won't cause any interruption to the computer. Okay. Next, the peripheral devices that you are already familiar with can be classified as input and output devices. Now we will see few peripheral devices. Peripheral devices here in this book they have classified into 2 types. One is input peripheral devices and output devices. Input and output devices means what? Input, keyboard, mouse, All those are input devices. How are those peripheral devices? Yes, they are peripheral devices because using USB port you are connecting to it. Okay, now we are going to see about input devices. Input devices are used to give input to the computer system. What keyboard and mouse do? They used to give input to the computer system. According to your input, the computer will process. In the sense, input devices are made very easy. You can easily connect and you can easily use it. Keyboard, one of the main input device. Keyboard, a keyboard you as you already know is most common input device. Keyboard we very well know, right? Common input device. It's an input device. What the keyboard is to do, to give information to the computer, input to the computer. Okay. Keyboard requires the user to press key in order to feed information. So we will be pressing the key. To reduce the need, scanners and voice recognition systems have been developed. To reduce the need, why you want to press and you want to type all those things. Instead, if you have voice recognition system, what you can do, you can easily speak and go. So it will type all those words for you, as you used to do in Google. If you will click the voice recognition system, so what you will do, you will speak and it will type the messages for you, right? Okay. Scanner, what the scanner will do, it will scan the details in a paper and it will give it as a for electronic format, so that you can edit it whenever you want. That is what is explained in the next. Scanner. This page cannot be so clear. I think it is not so clear. Just focus on your book. Okay. These devices can scan. Scanner. Now I'm going to explain about scanner. This is scanner. Okay. These devices can scan pictures as well as pages of text. They can scan the whole page. Either it be pictures or let it be text. Whatever may be. They are capable of converting images on paper into digital format. What they will do, they will scan the image and they will convert it into the digital format. In the sense, this format. In this format it will change. This process enables duplicating and storing data on paper to the computer. So you can easily duplicate the data which is in the paper and you can convert it and store in the computer. And whenever you need, you can edit it, you can print it, you can make modification in it. Okay. Next, voice recognition system. These are used to input directly by speaking into the computer. As I told, we can just speak into the computer so that it will type for us. Okay. However, these devices have still not become perfect. Even though nowadays, if you go and talk to Google in internet, what it happens, it won't. The most of the time, it won't put the spellings correctly. Sometimes if you spell some other word, it may put you some other word. This happens till now also. So it is not so perfect. They are working on it. Scientists are still more working on it. Okay. The system are, however, very useful for physically handicapped persons. Most probably those who are handicapped, this will be very useful. If they talk, that will be very much enough for them to type the message what they want. Okay. Next, magnetic ink character reader, MICR, magnetic ink character reader. This magnetic ink reader, this is also input device because it scans the input which is in this checkbook. Okay, this is a check leaf, right? This is a check leaf. Okay, here we'll be you'll be filling the money how much we want and what we'll be doing. We'll be signing and we'll be giving it to the bank. So the bank will read this codes and they will give back give the required money what you have given there, what you have written there. Okay, rupees amount, what you have written there. Next, that's what we are seeing. This system, this MICR, what it does, the system is commonly used in banks to process checks. Okay. In the system, special magnetic ink is used to print a check number. What is used? Special magnetic ink is used. Magnetic ink is used to print the check number at the bottom of the check. Okay, in human readable characters. In check, you will have this type of numbers. This is what they are explaining. Okay, human readable characters. Okay, MICR is able to read these characters in second. In checkbook, they will be printing these numbers, but this MICR device what it is used to do, it will be easily read the character within seconds. Besides reading with high degree of accuracy, this system has relatively good processing speed. What it will do, will it do any mistake while reading this numbers? No, it will be very good in accuracy. It will read the correct number and it will be very good in speed. So by reading this, what it does, it sends those information to the bank and the bank server receives it, and if everything is correct and if the number is, and if the check is correct and everything is details what you filled is correct, that's all, they will give you the money. That's it. Okay, next one more peripheral device, input device, barcode reader, BCR, barcode reader. Okay, these are usually used to read barcodes. Okay, barcodes means that line of codes which you used to go to shop. If you go to shop, you can, how you used to pay, with the help of Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, you used to pay, right? Someone could have paid. How you will pay? With the help of barcodes only. With lines it will be. By scanning that lines, you will pay the amount. That's it. Barcode reader. These are used to read barcodes. Barcode reader, what? That barcode reader, it is a machine. Wait, I'll show you that. See, this is barcode reader. It will read these barcodes. This is barcode. Okay, it will read these barcodes. Okay. That's what they have explained. I'll tell you. In a barcode, data is made up of series of black and white lines. It is made up of black and white lines in barcodes. Okay, light and dark bars, black and white lines, which will be light and dark in bars. Barcodes are very popular in shops and libraries to pay money, and in libraries what you will do, you will scan the book and you will take it. You will find the barcode at the back of its book. In library, in book it will be in book, where it will be, back side it will be. It uniquely identifies the book. In by reading that barcode reader, what you can do, by each and every book will have different barcode readers. So if you scan this barcode, the details of that particular book will be displayed in the computer. Okay. The barcode can be read by handheld scanner. The barcode can be read by this handheld scanner called barcode reader, which is connected to a computer. This barcode reader is connected to computer machine, so it will read the data and send to the computer. The computer matches the code which with the codes of book stored in the memory. In computer memory, these type of codes are also stored in memory. One will be in book, another set of codes will be in computer. By reading these codes, the computer will match with the codes which is there in the computer. Okay, and what it will do, it will show all the detail, title of the book, author of the book, and all those things. For shopping, what you will do, you will go to the shop and what it will scan, your bank detail, your total number of amount, all these it will scan, and it will send to the bank account. Here it will, in library, it will send to the librarian account, that computer account. Okay. So that all the detail you can read it about the book. You can read it. Okay, and you can get the book whenever necessary, and you can return it. See, you could have written some Olympiad exams and all, right? So while writing that exam, what will be there? It will be of choice questions. In few exams, it will be of choice questions. Only choice questions will be there, where you will write one different type of paper. You will write, that is nothing but OMR sheet. You will write in OMR sheet. These OMR sheet are fed into this machine, OMR machine. So this device, what it does, it scans the sheet, full sheet. It scans the full sheet and prints. It scans the full sheet. By scanning the full sheet, what it does, how it scans, by with the help of powerful beam of light. One powerful beam of light will be there inside that. Using this light, it will scan the full sheet, and it will feed the data what it read into the computer. And then you can easily see what the answer you have written is correct or wrong, because only choices you have written that can easily be found out. This OMR will correct it easily by scanning using powerful beam of light. Okay. This is OMR scanner machine. Okay, go through this. Next, sensor. For scientific operations, special sensors are used. Sensors. For scientific operations, special sensors are used which input analog data and directly send it to the computer. special sensors are used which input analog data and directly send it to the computer. So you know sensors, right? What is the use of a sensor? It will sense sense whatever the things around us. Depends on what sensor it is. See, there are sensors like wind speed sensor. So what it will do, it will find the speed of the wind without touching the wind. It will find the speed of the wind. Then what else? Pressure sensor. See that temperature. If in this corona time, how they will see the temperature? They will have one sensor device. It will read the temperature. They will not touch to your head also. They will have a small gap. In that gap, they will easily understand what is your temperature. Okay. That is a sensor device. Like that, there are many sensor devices. Using the sensor devices, it is not necessary to touch the object, but you can read the details about the object. Okay, etc. Such devices are used to input real-time data. Vision input, that sensor is an input device. Okay, vision input system. Okay, this is also an input device. A vision input system uses a camera to digitize images. Okay, the digitized images is compared with the database of existing digitized images on the computer. See, now don't think about the computer. Go to the robot. Okay, robot means what it will come to our mind. Only humanoid robot will come. Okay, with hands and legs. Okay, think that robot itself. If there is a robot, okay, if you want a robot to take a particular object from a particular place, so what you want to do, you can use vision input system. Using this system, you can feed the detail of the particular object what you want to take. Into the robot's memory, you can feed the image of a particular object, detailed image of the particular object which you want the robot to pick up. So by providing those image, what you can do after, you can do a small program to move the robot from one place to another, and you can by reading that picture which is there in your mind, the robot will take the holder. It will take the particular object which is there in front of it. That's it. See, these are the different type of input devices. Okay, these input devices actually plays a major role in present day computer. Okay. Hence we can see, before this line you see, hence we can see the computerization is heading towards total automation, greater speed and easy of data input. Okay, so what the computer engineers are trying to invent, total automation, fully automatic. Cars, fully automatic machines, all those things they are trying to invent. Robots, everything. Greater speed. Fully automatic in the sense what? Only automation can be done? No. They are trying to do with a very high speed and easy data input. So if your input is very easily given, the computer should understand. For all these, the engineers are working on it. They will achieve in future. They will achieve in all those things. Computer plays a major role in present world. Okay. Next, output devices. Output devices, only small explanation. Okay, output devices that are familiar to you are monitors and printers. See, this is a monitor. Okay, printer in the sense where you can take the print of a paper. That machine is there, no? That printer machine, that is a printer. Okay, monitors and printer. A monitor displays both the input data as well as processed data. What does the monitor displays? Input data. If I give an input, it will monitor there. After giving the input, it will show the result. That is a processed data. Okay, it will monitor both input data. It will display both input data and also processed data. Okay, see, this picture is also processed data only. I have fed into the computer, it shows this data, so it is a processed data. Okay. Today, monitors with high resolution are available that give good quality output. That we used to say pixel now. While you get a TV or something, TV or computer, they will ask what pixel it is, what pixel you want, in what pixel this system is there and this phone is there. If the pixel is very high, your clarity of this pictures, videos, movies will be high. If your pixel is low, according to that, the clarity will be less. Okay. So today monitors have high resolution. Resolution in the sense high good pixel, okay, are available that give good quality output. If the resolution is good, your quality will be, picture quality will be very good. The output displayed on the monitor screen is referred as soft copy. What is this copy? It is a soft copy, sorry, it is a soft copy, but you have in a computer book in your hand now. What is that copy? That is hard copy, which you can touch and feel. This is soft copy. I can't touch that one, I can't feel that one. I can touch this screen only, I can't touch the letters over there. Okay, that's it. This is soft copy, that is hard copy. Okay students, that's all students for this day. Take your note. I hope you would have marked out the important points. Okay students, then read this, that is your homework, and post the marked important points in group. Okay students, have a nice day, take care, bye.